गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। चलो प्रेजेंट टेंस पूरा हो गया। इसके 32 सेंटेंस बोल लोगे। पास्ट टेंस में कौन कौन सा पूरा हो गया? तो 8 और 8 16, यानी 32 और 16 कितने होंगे? 48 सेंटेंस। कोई बोल सकते हो क्या? कौन कौन बोल सकता है? बहुत बढ़िया। चलो खड़ी हो जाओ, बोलो।
वह गाली देता है। He abuses. He does not abuse. Does he abuse? Does he not abuse? Why does he abuse? Why does he not abuse? Who does abuse? Who does not abuse?
Who does abuse या कि who abuses भी सही हो जाएगा, ठीक है। हाँ, कंटिन्यूअस में इसको कैसे बोलेंगे?
वह गाली दे रहा था। वह गाली दे रहा है।
हाँ, तो क्या बनेगा इसका?
He is abusing. He is not abusing. Is he abusing? Is he not abusing? Why is he abusing? Why is he not abusing? Who is abusing? Who is not abusing?
हाँ, परफेक्ट में कैसे बोलेंगे इसको?
वह गाली दे चुका है। He has abused.
Abused.
He has not abused. Has he abused? Has he not abused? Why has he abused? Why has he not abused? Who has abused? Who has not abused?
बहुत बढ़िया। अब बता दो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कैसे इसको बोलेंगे?
वह 2 घंटे से गाली दे रहा है। वह 2 घंटे से गाली दे रहा है।
हाँ, क्या बनेगा इसका?
He has been abusing for 2 hours. He has not been abusing for 2 hours. Has he been abusing for 2 hours? Has he not been abusing for 2 hours? Why has he been abusing for 2 hours? Why has not been? Why has he not been abusing for 2 hours? Who has been abusing for 2 hours? Who has been not abusing for 2 hours?
इसी को पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में कैसे बोलेंगे?
वह गाली देता था।
देता था, तो क्या बनेगा इसका?
वह गाली देता था। He abused. He did not abuse. Did he abuse? Did he not abuse? Why did he abuse? Why did he not abuse? Who did abuse? Who did not abuse?
पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में कैसे बोलेंगे?
वह गाली दे रहा था।
हाँ,
वह गाली दे रहा था। He was abusing. He was not abusing. Was he abusing? Was he not abusing? Why was he abusing? Why was he not abusing? Who was abusing? Who was not abusing?
वेरी गुड। पूरे 48 हो गए?
Yes.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया।